we're loading up Panther and Puma, and we're headed up to Franklin, North Carolina, so we can do a review on the Franklin RV Park. Come along with us and enjoy this gem of a park.
David and Carol are headed out, God on our side, so watch out. Love and laughter on the way. Join our family and friends and stay. We may get lost on this quest, but it will be loving the real world and its best. Oh, yeah.
Hey Rick, we're home. So this is our setup this morning at Franklin RV Park. We got a bunch of, I call them snowballs, behind us with a little creek there that runs underneath the road. Got a little pavilion over here. Got a huge fireplace. It's a pretty little park. It's not too crowded, very quiet, and it's just right outside of Franklin, so it's just real easy to get to. Got a little, I guess that's a volleyball, badminton, whatever kind of court. This is a nice little creek. And picnic area. And there's the camper. And here's the bathhouse and the bathrooms, which are really nice on the inside.
And the laundry's over here.
And the laundry. This laundry is kind of surprising. It's not just a laundry. It's a library too, I think. You got a TV, fluff and fold. You got your washer and dryer. You got puzzles.
Goodness.
You got books to read.
Tell me about the puzzles.
Hey, look, sweetie, the white squirrel.
It is. A little white squirrel.
You can even make popcorn.
Oh.
It's got more books. It's got maps. It's just unreal what's in this little place, and it's all air conditioned.
Oh, cold.
From the outside, you would think it was nothing.
Yeah. Oh, creek. Wow.
Does say no pets allowed.
The bottle method.
Yeah, they do. They do. They got some wine bottles on the ones by the bathroom. Yeah. Somebody built these nice tables. Then up here, you have rockers. I might have to check this one out. All right, I got Carol over there, just a swinging. This is really cool. You could build a good old fire there. Got all type of maps and brochures laid out here.
Firewood is $5 a bundle.
Yeah, and you can buy your firewood here. It's $5 bundle. You can also get $5 starter wood also. But the big catch is you have to drop it in the box, the $5 box there. So it's a honor system, so don't take advantage of that. But I love the little ferns around the outside, and
This rock work on this fireplace is unreal.
somebody actually knew how to lay rock on that.
Yes.
You're so nice, thank you.
Okay.
Now I have to just straighten that up just for me. Oh,
There's your badminton.
there's the badminton, croquet.
Croquet.
Well, that's cool. That's all your game stuff for right on down there yonder when we saw earlier. You even got a fan out here if it gets too hot. Oh, paddle faster, I hear banjos. Do-do-doom-doom-doom-doom-doom-doom. Oh, they also have cable TV here. They have
Full hookup.
full hookups. Got little gardens everywhere.
Yeah.
Somebody takes pride. All of them have fire pits also. And a little picnic, and a little bit picnic table at your each one of your settings.
Turtle.
They even got a water hookup for the garden. I'm not too sure, but that cabin might be a little small for me.
Yeah.
I don't.
It's teddy size.
Oh, that could be a teddy cabin. Love the hanging baskets, huh? Pretty easy to find. We didn't have no issues finding it. And actually, when we pulled in, Rick met us at the roadway. Rick is the keeper of the park. So he is extremely nice. It's really, overall, it's really nice, I think. A lot nicer than our last park we was at. Rick and Mary Lou. I hadn't met Mary Lou. And so far, the Wi-Fi's been pretty good. I think we're gonna find out how their outside.
It's a local restaurant.
I didn't even know that. Look at the little wine bottles over here. Franklin wine bottle, watering system, Lincoln RV. I think that's pretty cool. And leave in the comments what's the name of these things. I don't know what they are. I don't know plants very well. Okay, cooking our first steak on our little Coleman camper grill. I don't know. We found in the basement that has never been used, so we're giving it a shot. So we'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, I overcooked the steak on the Coleman camper stove because that's the first time I've used it, so I apologize when anybody thinks
Yeah, and I just happened to find it in our basement.
yeah. So we didn't go out and buy this stuff. We're trying to do this on the cheap. So our potato is cooking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my steak, and I'll let you know how it is.
Okay.
It's good. I guess we're living the rough life, roughing it with air conditioning and
Yeah.
gas grill and
Running water.
running water with a awning over us for shade and a little table holding our fan.
Eva has a place for a lantern.
We're just enjoying the good life. Oh, wait a minute. Is it the good life or the, what do you call it? Roughing life? We're roughing it. Glamour roughing it.
Glamour roughing.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. So we didn't film very much on this little getaway. Just showing you a snippet of things to come. So if you like it, let us know. We might do more of it. If you don't like it, we'll go back to what we were doing and just leave this part out. We're just going to be staying in this thing a lot more than hotels.
Yes.
So it's a lot more comfortable. A lot more. So until next time, we are
Loving.
the real world.
Go. Oh, they're loving the real world. Hand in hand they go. Down the winding back roads where the rivers flow. With Jesus riding shotgun, leading